Two CRPF jawans were killed and 3 others injured when Maoists triggered an explosive when they were on way to a polling station in Jamui parliamentary constituency of Bihar early morning. Police said CRPF and Bihar police team were travelling in 2 jeeps when the Maoists triggered an IED planted under the bridge they were crossing near Sawa Lakh Baba Mandir at the entrance of Bhimband, the jungle. A clash and stone pelting incident between Indian National Lok Dal and Haryana Janhit Congress supporter at Azad Nagar polling booth in Hisar city forced the Election Commission to stop polling in the booth for some time. 2 Election Commission personnel were beaten up while they were videographing a bike rally by Trinamool workers at Manikchak in Malda district in West Bengal. The poll body, which has directed authorities to initiate stern action against the accused and file a report on the incident. Bike rallies are prohibited during election campaign under EC rules. District Election Office sources said that the video footage would be examined before filing of any official complaint. Targeting Narendra Modi over his remarks that he wants to be a chowkidar of the country, Rahul Gandhi has said sometimes a chowkidar also indulges in theft, so the keys of the country cannot be given to just one person. Raking up Snoopgate issue, Gandhi also questioned the BJP's claim to work for empowerment of women. He was addressing a rally in Jhunjhunu of Rajasthan.
ये काम कीजिए और आपका मैनिफेस्टो बनाएं। और बीजेपी ने क्या किया? हमारे मैनिफेस्टो को लेकर हाथ का निशान उतार दिया और कमल का निशान लगा दिया।
Taking West Bengal Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee head-on, BJP's Prime Ministerial candidate Narendra Modi accused her of playing vote bank politics and said no real change has taken place in the state during TMC rule. Modi's address was in contrast to his earlier speech in Kolkata in February when he had gone soft on Banerjee and had even asked the people to have Didi in Bengal and BJP in Delhi. He also attacked UPA government at the centre.
क्या देश को रिमोट कंट्रोल से चलाने वाली सरकार चाहिए? मेरे भाइयों बहनों मुझे बताइए, देश को मजबूत सरकार चाहिए कि नहीं चाहिए?
Heavyweight politician Mukhtar Ansari has withdrawn his candidature against BJP's PM nominee Narendra Modi and Aam Aadmi Party chief Arvind Kejriwal from Varanasi. Qaumi Ekta Dal President Afzal Ansari said Mukhtar Ansari will not contest the Lok Sabha elections from Varanasi and will support a joint nominee from the secular parties against Modi. The Allahabad High Court has dismissed as withdrawn BJP leader Amit Shah's petition challenging the FIRs launched against him in UP for alleged hate speeches after he stated that he wanted to reply to the EC notice in the matter. A division bench of the court held that the petition stood dismissed as withdrawn following the application moved by the applicant in this regard. Describing himself as the son of soil, Congress candidate Ajay Rai says the poll battle will be mainly a contest with outsider Narendra Modi and dismisses any challenge from deserter Arvind Kejriwal. Rai, who finished third after Joshi of BJP and Mukhtar Ansari of BSP in 2009 elections, exudes confidence this time, saying Modi will not be able to win the trust of people of Varanasi. BJP has removed expelled party leader Jaswant Singh's son and party MLA Manvendra Singh from its national executive. Manvendra has been expelled for campaigning for his father and expelled leader Jaswant Singh in Barmer Lok Sabha seat. Senior BJP leader Uma Bharti has promised voters in Jhansi a separate Bundelkhand state within 3 years if a party is voted to power at the centre. She also alleged that some officers in the Samajwadi Party-led UP government are working as party agents. Congress leader Kamal Nath has alleged that BJP's Prime Ministerial nominee Narendra Modi and Madhya Pradesh Chief Minister Shivraj Singh Chauhan tried to mislead people through false advertisements. Addressing an election meeting at Agar in Dewas Shahjapur constituency in support of Congress candidate, Nath said Chauhan in the last 5 years issued advertisements of around 1,000 crore rupees only in Indore and Bhopal. The Election Commission has admonished Karnataka CM Siddaramaiah for violation of model code after BJP accused him of using derogatory words against Narendra Modi. The Bombay High Court has dismissed a case against Aam Aadmi Party and its leader Arvind Kejriwal for allegedly misusing the national flag and emblem to gain political mileage. Amid growing demand in Congress for a larger role for her, Priyanka Gandhi has said that she will campaign in Raebareli and Amethi, the constituencies being represented by her mother Sonia Gandhi and brother Rahul. Priyanka has been looking after these two constituencies for quite some time now, and there have been demands in the recent past from various quarters in the party that she should extend her role beyond the confines of Rae Bareli and Amethi.